Hi friends, this video shows how to move some apps and games from Google TV Streamer internal storage to external portable SSD storage and create some free space in Google TV Streamer. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable, and this SanDisk portable SSD that is connected to this USB hub using this black cable. And here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. This is a setup. Let me go to TV, go to all settings, set settings from top right corner, go to system, go to storage, and here you can see two sections. Device storage 26 GB, that is the internal storage of this Google TV Streamer, and below that you can see removable storage 1 TB, that is the SanDisk SSD, this SSD. Okay, so I am going to move some apps and games from this internal storage to this SSD storage. First select this SSD storage, then select erase and format as device storage. Select format, please wait. Okay, done. Here you can see two options, move now and move later. Using this move now option, you can move photos, files, apps and games from this Google TV Streamer to this SSD storage. I will do that later. Let me go back. Now here you can see that removable storage section has been deleted. Now you can see only one section, device storage, and here you can see two device storages. The first one is the actual internal storage 26 GB, and the second one is a SanDisk storage that I added, this SanDisk storage. So now I have increased the internal storage of this Google TV Streamer to 1 TB plus 26 GB. So next I will show you how we can move some apps and games. First select this SanDisk USB drive, then set apps, set see all apps. So now you are seeing all apps installed in this device. Let me move one app. Let me select this An Explorer app, then set storage used. You can see right now I have installed this app in internal storage of this Google TV Streamer. I am going to move that to SanDisk SSD drive. Let me move. Done, moved. Let me verify. Again go to storage used. See, now it shows SanDisk USB drive. We can also move it back to internal storage. Let me try that as well. Now I am moving it back. Okay, done. See, so this way we can connect an external SSD storage and move apps and games and create some free space in Google TV Streamer. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.